Hey friends, this is Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, and this is a video that I'm excited to share with you as part of She Makes Club for this year. We're doing our one-word focus, and the theme for this year is vision, but I have my own personal word. I've kind of chosen a word every year for the last 10 years or even longer. I guess it's probably going back to 2005 that I first started choosing a word theme for my year. And every year I tend to make one of these little pennant charms, and I do this video every couple years to just kind of like show new people how I'm making these, what my new word is, and reveal it as I go. And so this year I wanted to kind of offer, for going into 2020 year, anybody that wants one of their words up to 12 letters, 12 characters, I will make you one of these charms, and I'll include the shipping. It'll just be a flat $15. I'll include all the details in a post over at BuyMeganElizabeth.com over in the blog, and I'll even leave some details in the comments of this video if you're interested to have me make one for you. It'll be done with this Impress Art Deco set. I absolutely love this set. It's a lowercase, very basic font that is just, to me, adorable. There's even a little hashtag pound sign on here, so if you want your word to be a hashtag, I can do that for you. You would just note that in your order. I'm making 5 of these so far this year, so I'd be willing to, I'm still going to be limited. I can't take on a ton of orders, but I can do quite a few, so I'll leave the details for that. And I told everybody earlier in my Tuesday tutorials the month of December that I was going to be revealing my word for the 2020 year, and I did receive my Erin Condren planner. This is my brand new deluxe monthly planner that I had custom made with photos, and my word, which I chose this year to be depth, going deeper in all things, my relationships, in my business, in my own personal health. I just felt like depth was such a perfect word for me going into the 2020 year. Our theme throughout She Makes Club and what we're unpacking every single month is the vision for 2020, the vision for our lives, the vision for our family, our faith, our fun, our friends, all of it. But for me personally, I chose depth for my word, and I'm taking the Ali Edwards One Little Word Workshop for the first time ever. I've adored Ali Edwards for a million years, but finally taking her One Little Word Workshop. So I'm just going to pull these out. These are all in here. They have the letters on here, so these are something that you can go pick up and buy at Hobby Lobby, or any place that sells metal stamping will carry Impress Art, but usually like Hobby Lobby, AC Moore, which I heard AC Moore is going out of business, and that makes me so sad. Oops, I keep grabbing below. So I'm just spelling out the word depth right here, and I'm actually going to work backwards. I do these very rustically. I don't line these up perfectly. I like to make them that they are personal, they're handmade, they're meaningful, and this is how I've done these for, I have one of these for every word since 2011. So I kind of want to go back and do all of my words at some point. But I always start backwards and down at the bottom. And I have this is just a steel block on top of just a foam pad. I use my Impress Art weighted hammer. It works the best for one simple whack. You don't want to move it or push it or jump it or double pound it or anything like that. It will not give you a good clean impression. So you just want to give one solid whack, and I really like using either pewter or soft strike. They're called soft strike blanks from Impress Art. So if you ever find those, pick them up if you want to get started in metal stamping. I have been a fan of Impress Art and metal stamping as an extra hobby for so many years, and I like being able to offer these once in a while to followers. I don't do them every year. It was a couple years ago since I last offered these for $15, but I just wanted to be able to offer them this year. Nate has helped me. I've made these for teammates and members of our teams throughout the years, or members of She Makes Club. And they're just a fun thing to have I'll put a little jump ring on it for you. It has a hole, it'll have a little jump ring. It doesn't come with a chain, it's just the charm with the jump ring. And again, it'll include your shipping. And then what I like to do with them is I actually just grab a black Sharpie marker and I fill in the letters, kind of where it indents. And I like to give it that separation from metal to metal. It looks a little messy at first, but don't fear, I wipe it clean. So I just really want to fill in, let it dry, and fill it in again. Polish it out so that it just settles into the indent, the stamped part of it. And I usually fill this in a couple times. Again, one of my absolute favorite things to do and make. And you can just color across the whole word. You don't even have to worry about just filling it in. You just want to get that marker to really settle in there. And then you just wipe it away clean. And it does only wipe away off of the surface. It doesn't wipe away into the stamp. So they're done pretty quickly, so they're really fun to make. And you can see that is my depth word for 2020. I'm gonna be starting to make up a bunch of other words. I'm cleaning it up just a little bit more, just running my finger across it just to get that little extra bit cleaned off, and then I'll hit it again with a microfiber to shine it back up. But really so simple. I'm so excited to reveal this word to you this year and go deeper with you truly in all areas of making, crafting, creating authentically, telling our stories, and just having some fun, enjoying life and our moments together. I hope you guys have a great, great day. Enjoy your Tuesday and the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the 2020 new year. Bye-bye.